Recently, we visited Ricketts Glen State Park in Pennsylvania because we heard they have some waterfalls there. Well, then I asked a ranger, and he said there are 22 waterfalls in the park, and 21 of them are all on one trail. You know we had to hike that.
This is a bonus waterfall at the top of the trail. It doesn't even count. Here's another waterfall that doesn't even count. This is Onondaga Falls, the first named falls on the trail. This is F.L. Ricketts Falls. This is Shawnee Falls. This is Huron Falls from the bottom. It's got both a bridal veil shoot up near the top and a wedding cake, as they call it, here near the bottom. This is Ozone Falls, number 5. This is R.B. Ricketts Falls. It's a double falls because there's a separate creek on the side coming in. Nice. Reynolds Falls. Hawk said, I wonder if it's named after Burt Reynolds. Nah, I kind of doubt it. We're below the junction now where there are 3 more falls. This is Harrison Wright Falls. This is Sheldon Reynolds Falls. Come back through here, we've got quite a set of steps to climb. Of course, this is just the beginning of the way up. This is Murray Reynolds Falls. We're back at the confluence point right now. We came down the right branch where there were 8 waterfalls. We then went down the bottom branch where we picked up 3 more. Now we're going to go home via the left branch where there are 10 waterfalls waiting for us. There's 21 waterfalls on this trail. Oh, we'll pick up number 22 afterwards when we get back to the car. Now this is Erie Falls. This is Tuscarora Falls. This is Conestoga Falls. You can barely see it through the trees here. Well, there's an unnamed falls on this side creek here. This is Seneca Falls. Not a very big one all by itself, but off in the distance, I don't know if it shows up well in the video, but I can kind of see it through the trees, is Ganoka Falls, which is almost 100 feet tall. That's the big one here on the trail. This is Cayuga Falls. Cayuga Falls reminds me of a song about my alma mater. Far above Cayuga's waters, there's an awful smell. Some blame Cayuga's waters. We know it's Cornell. Oneida Falls, number 20 out of 21. This is Mohawk Falls, number 21 out of the 21 falls we'll see on this trail today. This is Adams Falls, number 22 out of the 21 on the main falls trail. It's on a different trail, just a bit down from the parking lot.